Hello, my name is Nur Gadkuth, and this is Module 15, Ethics of Cyberventing. The research question: is the practice of cyberventing job applicants and employees ethical and necessary in today's workplace? Cyberventing. An individual uses cyberventing to evaluate another person's suitability for a specific role by gathering online information. When people cybervent, it is used to make a decision about future employees or current relationships. People who cybervent can obtain more and different information about current and potential clients using social media, search engines, and evolving internet and communication technologies. The process is often labeled as internet surveillance, background checks, social media profiling, and online screening. 2 ways cyberventing is ethical. 1. Cyberventing allows employers a deeper look into their potential employee's life. Most people use websites such as social media to express themselves to relatives, friends, and the general population. When applying for a job, the only thing employers know about the employees is what is on their resume, which is all their best qualities. For an employer to avoid hiring an at-risk employee, they use cyberventing to get a deeper look into the person's life to decide if they are the right fit for the position. 2. Cyberventing helps determine whether a potential employee has a good moral standing. When looking at an employee's resume, it's hard to get a sense of a person's moral standing. Most times, potential employees perform their best acting and advertise themselves as the best person ever. Cyberventing helps determine a person's morality by using websites such as social media to determine their character and reputation. For example, if I'm an employer and my potential employee resume checks out and they advertise themselves as a great person, if I use cyberventing and find out that this potential employee likes to make fun of little kids on social media, I just save myself from hiring a bad person. Communication and Privacy Management Theory. CPM is a communication theory that focuses on how and why people manage private information. It is designed to develop an evidence-based understanding of how people decide to reveal and conceal private information. The 5 theories include private information, private boundaries, control and ownership, rule-based management, and privacy theory. Privacy management. Privacy management in cyberventing. The idea of privacy management focuses on the opposing arguments that advocate for and oppose the disclosure of private information. It provides insight into how others perceive privacy and what it means in a societal context. Based on a series of cultural norms and expectations, privacy rules are determined by the motivation to conceal or reveal information. When you tell someone your private information, they now become co-owners of that information and can do what they please. Regarding social media, your posts are available to everyone to see and use. So when an employer is debating whether to hire a potential employee, they can use that in regards to whether they want to hire them or not. This is when we're excited. Thank you guys for listening. Bye.